Welcome back. Today we're going to continue our ROS tutorial experiment by looking at recording and playing back data. I'm trying to see if it has a tutorial number, but it doesn't. So let's get on with it. This doesn't seem to be working like I wanted it to, but it's okay. So let's just dive right in. Forget intro videos and cool stuff like that. So here we are going to continue. The section of this tutorial will instruct you how to record topic data from a running ROS system. The topic data will be accumulated in a bag file. All right. So immediately we need 3 terminals. Let's see. Oh, you can't see because of my ugly head. Let me see if I can. I'm going to shrink myself. Shrink. And transition. Shrunken head. All right. Whoopsie. Nope, don't do that. Don't do that. Live editing is fun. All right, so there's one. This one's going to be ROS core, so I can hide that behind me kind of, I think. ROS core. Oh, I need to make a new one. Hold on. All right, that's ROS core. Now, we'll make another terminal. Oops, I don't want an X term. I want another known terminal. That's one. And I want 2. All right, so let's do one down here. One can overlap the ROS core because you don't care too much more about that one. Remember, I'm using Ubuntu 16 on a dedicated computer with my X forwarding, so I can do the GUI stuff while I am broadcasting. Okay, so that's the first one. The second one, we want to do ROS run turtle sim note. Okay, and let's grab my turtle. Here's my turtle. Then the last one, ROS run turtle sim turtle telop key. That's pretty much what we did before. Pressing a direction. Yep, our turtle is moving as we would have expected. Cool. Now what? Recording all the published data. So, a new terminal. Hold on. Let's grab a new terminal. There's a new terminal. And here we will ROS topic list-v to see all the topics. Publish turtle color sensor, command velocity, etc. The list of published topics are the only message types that could potentially be recorded in the data log file, as only published messages are recorded. The topic turtle1 command velocity is a command message published by telop turtle that is taken as input by the turtle sim process. The message turtle1 color sensor and turtle1 pose are output messages published by turtle sim. We'll now record the published data. Where did we go? There we are. We'll now report the published data. So we'll go home, make dir bag files, cd bag files, ROS bag record -a. Okay. Here we are just making a temporary directory to record data, then run ROS bag record with the option A, indicating that all published topics should be accumulated in a bag file. So this will be good for future replay, especially if we're building real robots that we then want to take inside and put on a simulator. That way we can put on a simulator, so we can work on our algorithms and all that kind of stuff in the future. Examining and playing back file. Oh, I got to do stuff. Move back to the terminal window with the telop and move the turtle around for about 10 seconds. Sorry, my neck was just bugging me. All right, so here's this. I'll go forward, right, forward, right. I'm going to press right a lot, hold down forward a lot, turn more, straight. All right, that's been a while. In the window running ROS bag, record exit. This was ROS bag. Control C. Control C. Come on now. that Control C? Quartz. Terminal. Can I send a Control C this way? For some reason, Control C is not working. Control C. I'll kill it. Let's kill it. ROS bag. I have another window that you can't quite see. Kill dash 915382. And it's dead. Cool. All right, back to where we were. So now we want to ROS bag info. So we have a ROS bag active 672, 688K. So it's a pretty decent sized file for 10 seconds. ROS bag info, my bag file. Error, bag unindexed. Nuts. ROS bag reindex. Probably because I killed it and didn't Control C it. There we go. ROS bag info. So let's delete this one. 2018.original bag info. That file. Cool. So let's see what it said. You should see something like. We see something like that. Let me make this bigger. I'm not sure if you can read that. Nope, that won't make it bigger. Version, duration, 122 seconds. Start, end, size 1.1 meg, compression, none. I'm just kind of looking at the stuff on the left, seeing what goes on the right too. Geometry messages, all that kind of stuff. So ROS out, it got 4 messages. Command velocity got 94. Color sensor 6,700. Pose 6,700. Those are the sensors. Like if you had a color sensor on your robot that said, "Hey, this color's in front of me. This color's in front of me." It said it 6,700 times. Same ticking as the pose. The pose is here I am. Here I am. Here's my position. Here's what I look like. So let's see. In the window, you should see something like opening. Yep, we saw all that stuff. It is in its default mode. ROS bag play will wait for a certain period, 0.2 seconds, after advertising its message before it actually begins publishing the contents of the bag file. Waiting for some duration allows any subscriber to the message to be alerted that the message has been advertised and that messages may follow. If ROS bag play, had it told us? Oh, it told us to play. See, I get all excited and move ahead of stuff. So can we make it play? ROS bag play. Whoops. ROS bag play. Not having Control C kind of sucks. It's not moving. More later.